Good morning, Just Kids parents and families. Today I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom meeting on the computer and how to navigate Zoom on the computer. So first you're going to go to zoom.us. You're going to click Zoom and you're going to click Join a Meeting. Now you have to enter a meeting ID. So the teacher or whoever sent you the Zoom meeting information will have the meeting ID and the passcode. So you're going to type in the meeting ID. You type it in, you click Join. You want to allow to open Zoom? Yes. Now you're going to click the passcode. So you type in your passcode. You click. You're going to click Join. Now when you click Join, it's going to show up the video. You're going to click Join with Video. It says, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. So the host of the meeting will let you into the meeting. So they will let you in. You're going to join with your computer audio, and you now have entered the Zoom meeting. So you can make it bigger, move in the sides, and now this is your host and this is you or your child. This will show you the video of what the host is seeing. So if you have the TV on or if you need to mute yourselves for any reason, at the bottom left, it says mute. So if you click the mute button, it will now mute you and no one can hear you. When you're ready to unmute, you click the unmute button. If you need to stop the video for any reason, you click stop video. And it will show everyone just your name. If you need to stop the video and mute, you click the mute button again, and now you can't be seen or you can't be heard. So when you are ready to unmute again, you can click and be seen. You can click the start video and you can click the unmute button. And now you can be seen and heard. So if you need to write something to the teacher or if your child has a question, there is a chat feature where it says chat. You click chat and you can type, you click where it says to, and you click the person you want to chat to. You can type whatever you need to, enter, and it will send. They will get the message and they will reply and you will get sent back to you where it says who it's from and they replied. Now if you need to get out of it, you can just close and now you are back. If you need to send a reaction to the teacher, you can send a thumbs up. You can send a clap. You can send whatever you need under reactions. So when the meeting is over or whenever you need to leave the meeting, it says leave. You will click leave and you just click leave meeting. And this will end the meeting just for you and your child. You click leave meeting and now the meeting has ended. If you have any questions, you can email me at sunderman@justkidseclc.org and I will gladly help you. Thank you.